Good afternoon, everyone. So it's my parang sad duty to inform everyone that our urgent motion to withdraw the issuance of a warrant of arrest has not yet been given due course, and that an order has been issued for the issuance of a warrant of arrest against Senator Jinggoy Estrada. We kind of understand that what we filed was extraordinary. But we hope that the justices of the Sandigan Bayan will understand that we, through our client, have not received a copy of the Ombudsman resolution charging him with crimes. We have not received a copy of the DOJ resolution charging him with crimes, namely anti-graft, 2 counts, and 1 count of plunder. So how are we expected to file a proper motion when we don't even know what the basis for the filing of these charges is? In any case, we will bow to the supremacy of the Sandigan Bayan, and Senator Jinggoy will submit himself for bail.
Sir, anong mangyayari kung on the same day maglabas ng warrant ang 5th Division handling the plunder case?
We'll just have to address that when it happens.
No, but if it's with same day, sir, today.
Yun nga eh. That's something we'll just have to cross when it happens.
Pero attorney, nasan po ngayon si Senator Jinggoy? At ano
I don't
po
have
ang
that information.
Pero ano pong balak po?
required po siyang parating po ngayon.
Kasi normally for when you're asking for a bail hearing, you're required to surrender kasi. So mapipilitan talaga si Senator Jinggoy na magpakita. We're just hoping that we can do it in a way that's medyo dignified. Pasensya na kayo. We understand na mapangailangan naman kayo to report the news. Pero at the same time, we don't want to expose him kasi nga, as we've already explained, hindi namin naiintindihan kung bakit na-filean siya.
Sir,
You were saying kanina na parang you have an appeal to the 5th Division na parang sana naman hindi same day.
We actually appeal to all of the divisions. We appeal to the 2nd Division, we appeal to the 5th Division. Hindi na namin alam. All we can say as of now is that the order that issued against Senator Jinggoy made no mention of our urgent motion. So maybe there's still a chance that they'll take cognizance of
Kailan
it.
sir nyo final yung urgent motion?
Just this morning, bago mag-lunch.
To withdraw sir yung pag-i-issue ng
Or for
Wag
both
muna,
division?
oo. Kasi nga, dahil wala nga kaming nalalaman tungkol doon sa pag-issue ng mga paratang lamang kay Senator Jinggoy, ang hirap namang sagutin, di ba?
Pero
Kung
kamusta po
nag-file
ngayon
po
si
kayo
Sir?
ng urgent motion kanina, anong propose ng pagpunta po ninyo ngayong oras na ito dito, attorney?
So, nalaman na nga namin na there's been an order for the issuance of a warrant of arrest. So, we informed si Senator and we were informed that he would already submit himself for a bail.
Anong sabi niya, sir? Kamusta daw siya?
Kamusta po?
I don't have that information also.
So, pero sir, surrender po ba siya or hintayin niya po yung implementation of the warrant? Will he surrender or
No,
will he
he'll
wait?
come to the court.
So physically pupunta po siya ngayon dito?
Oo. He'll be here.
Pero sir, na-mention din po ni SILG na may problema po siya sa tuhod. Ano po ba yung mangyayari doon, sir? Will you be filing a motion for that?
Well, unfortunately, there's nothing in the court procedures that allows us to excuse him from attending personally because of a physical injury. So,
Pero kailan ba sir nangyari kung injury niya sa tuhod?
I don't have that information also. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Sir, yung urgent motion to stop the issuance of the warrant of
Yes,
arrest,
oo.
both filed before 5th and 2nd?
Yes, filed before both divisions.
Just this
early
morning.
this morning. Yeah.
Pero wala pa po
Before
kayong
lunch.
may warrant from 5th Division? Wala pa.
Wala pa kaming
Sir, with
balita
regard
about
to the
50 days.
surrender, isn't he supposed to surrender po sa law enforcers, not po sa court? Or
No,
pwedeng sa court na po?
because the court is the one issuing the order for the warrant of arrest. He can surrender himself directly to the court. Because the idea is the enforcement of the warrant of arrest is simply following the orders of the court. So there's no problem.
Bilang abogado, attorney, anong reaction ninyo? Anong pakiramdam ninyo? Anong nasa isip ninyo? Kapapile lang
Malungkot
ninyo
lang
yung
kami.
kapapile lang ninyo yung urgent motion.
Yes.
Pero may
Malungkot kami.
warrant.
May malungkot kami. But we're hoping that maybe the justices will still pay attention to our motion.
Thank you, Atty.
Thank you, Atty.